Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration, convergent and divergent. So now I want to show you how to answer. I need to use about integrals test. So I will put about the integration from number 1, that is from here to infinity, and that is about 8 arctan of s over 1 plus s squared ds. So I will put the limit for positive infinity, so we will have the limit 8 approach to positive infinity. So this one we need to change for 8. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to arctan of s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 1 over 1 plus s squared ds. Next, we need to change the bounds when s equals to number 1. So we put number 1 go on here to find the value of u. So u equals to b over 4. When s equals to 8, so we put the value of 8 go on here. So u equals to arctan of 8. So number 1 we change for b over 4. 8, that is about this one. Arctan of s we change for u. The s over this one we change for the u. The integration of u, we have u squared over number 2, and then we put the bounds from b over 4 to arctan of 8. Eight divided by 2, we have number 4. So I will put this one cone here and b over 4 cone here. So when 8 approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to b over 2. And now we have the final answer. So we calculate this one, and we have 3b squared over number 4. So because we got the exact value, that is about convergent. So we can conclude that this series is about convergent.